to capture professional quality sound in OBS Studio. Using any microphone, you need to make some fine adjustments. To do this, enter the microphone filter settings. First, we add a gain filter and set it to 2.90 decibels. Our second filter is noise suppression. After adding this filter, we set the quality setting to high. Our third filter is the 3-band equalizer. Adjust the settings of this equalizer as you see on the screen. We add VST plugin as another filter option. I used Goyo plugin as VST plugin, other audio filter compressor. I recommend that you adjust the settings of this filter as you see on the screen. You can try it live by playing the settings here. I used limiter as the final sound filter. Adjust the settings of this filter as you see. Then enjoy sound quality close to expensive microphones, as long as all of these filters are active. Background noise and disturbing sounds will be isolated. That is all. My heart is with you. May technology be with us. See you later.